start the video off. Is that the brand new Tahoe? Look at that thing. Dang. That's so cool. It's got a different shape to it. The headlights look really cool. I don't really like how small the front of it is though. It's got a smaller front end. I really like the big front end of the newer Chevy trucks that they've been putting out. I wish I could get back in front of it so we can see it. Got this stupid truck in front of me. Here we go. Y'all get a good look at the front end, or a somewhat good look. I know it's pouring rain. That thing looks so cool though. It's almost got like a 4Runner, Expedition, Tahoe, like all combined kind of look. Because it's almost shaped like the newer 4Runners a little bit. I'm like swerving all over, about to hit it. It's so cool. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the new Tahoe. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Daily Bread, where we get this bread daily. Now yes, you guys are probably wondering, why are you wearing the Yoo-hoo shirt again? Well, I got off work, didn't want to leave my work clothes on, so I changed, and it was the only shirt I had left in my truck, so I apologize off the bat. But I'm a little disappointed today because I wanted to cut the grass really bad. I got a new lawnmower that you guys can kind of see in the back right there. I've been wanting to cut the grass really bad. I'm so excited to use my new lawnmower. Again, huge shout out to my coworker for awesome deal on the lawnmower. But I can't use it because it's freaking raining, as you guys can tell. We were just looking at that new 2020 or 2021 Tahoe, whatever it is. Me personally, I like the body style we have a little bit better, but that one is still really cool. Let me know what you guys think of the new Tahoes in the comments below. But we're on the way to the tint shop. I'm gonna go hang out over there for a little bit. I gotta go by the store. I do have a cool little surprise that Christina got me. We got all kinds of cool stuff going on today, so stay tuned, enjoy the video, guys. Absolutely pouring outside, which is freaking stupid, but Zach's really getting this front little area finished up for the tint shop here, and it's looking pretty nice. This couch, it's pretty comfy, to be honest. It's not bad. I wish I had some armrests. You definitely need some more seats over here, but it's definitely coming along. It's giving a real downtown vibe to the shop. He's got the brick wall on the outside. It's looking really good. Look at this. The water seeping. Look at the. I see you out there, cutie. Little bow tie. What up, cute girl? What up? I really hope the Chinese buffet next to Zach's shop opens up sometime soon. This is the back door, but that Chinese restaurant is gassed. Absolutely amazing, and they really need to open back up. I'm getting kind of sad. I'm kind of upset because I really wanted to cut the grass today, but it's barely raining a little bit. Did get the truck washed yesterday. Huge shout out to Matt for washing the truck, even though driving around with it right now is going to completely just destroy how clean it is. But it is nice to see clean wheels, no red paint, you know, the sides all cleaned up, at least somewhat cleaner than it was, I guess. Yeah, I need to do something about the back of the truck. My next project, and actually today's video, was going to be about this, was going to be cleaning this out. So I've got this bed cover that came with the truck from the factory, and I plan on taking that out and really cleaning underneath it, because I don't want to let the tailgate down because I got a bunch of stuff back here. If you let the tailgate down, you can see underneath that bed cover, and it's really nasty under there, and it's probably going to start rusting at some point if it hasn't already, unfortunately. So that is my next kind of maintenance goal on the truck. I need to get the oil changed tomorrow, and I need to rotate and flip 2 of the tires sometime this week as well. So some of the maintenance that I need to do on the truck. Got wheel lights for the truck and the Tahoe, and I got a bunch of wiring to do. Just so much stuff that I need to get done. I want to apologize to you guys. It's been brought to my attention. I don't really do a lot of mods to the truck anymore, and that's just because I'm enjoying it. I'm having fun with the truck, you know, just keeping it running. You know, the maintenance and all that. That's kind of what this channel's become. It's hard to do mods every single day of the week when you vlog and film every single day. I mean, that's a lot of videos all the time. Nobody has money to spend like that. Isn't that right? Tell him. Tell him, huh? What are you doing under there? Hey, what are y'all doing? Hey, whoa. What y'all got going on in here? Oh, okay. I do have something I want to show you guys. Christina got this for me yesterday, and I'm kind of excited to show you guys. I don't know how you're gonna feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it, but I do have something to show you. I have my phone set up I have the camera set up in a jacket right now, so there's a little bit of jacket on the screen, that's why. So you guys know, a couple of weeks ago I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and at the moment I do not have a case on it. All I have is the tempered glass screen protector, which is amazing. I really like the phone. It's not too much different than the one I had before, except it's a little bit thicker. Christina, oh my goodness, took the liberty of ordering me a new phone case. No, it's not Bread Gang related, which would have been pretty cool, but it's pineapples. Anybody that knows me knows that I really like pineapples. Now, you guys are like, why did she get you a pink phone case? Now, the case itself is not pink. It's got like a pink fake phone in there so you guys can see it, but this is the case. I guess it is, the reason she got it this translucent, this like neon kind of chromy, I forgot exactly what the color's called. It's the same color as the wrap that's gonna be for her Tahoe. That's why she got this color. And then she also got, normally I have a pop socket on my phone. Make fun of me if you want to, but I'm on my phone a lot, and pop socket really has become just part of my daily routine. She got me a velvet caviar phone grip and stand. And this also is that reflective material. So instead of having just a circle on the back, I guess this one is, you stick that on there and you can actually stick your finger in the loop, which is, I guess that's kind of cool. Go hold it from your finger. Let me, I'll put these on and let you guys see what they look like. I really like having a case on my phone again. That makes me feel a lot better. But now I have a, y'all are gonna make so much fun of me. I have a rainbow chrome pineapple case on my phone. I'm gonna look like such a, and then I'm gonna have this little thing on there too, hold on. Send it. It says hold for 2 minutes, but damn, it's a little crooked. This is my new phone and phone case. There's gonna be a lot of money made on this phone while y'all laughing. We get this bread. There's gonna be a lot of bread gotten on this phone. So while y'all playing games, I'm just joking. Look at that, see? I don't know how I feel about this. Put your finger in the, I guess that's kind of cool. I guess that's kind of better than the pop socket. I don't know, only time will tell. Huge shout out to Christina. This is gonna save my life at some point, because I will drop this phone and this will save the phone from completely getting destroyed. Thank you.
Just barely got the trash truck. Barely.
What's up, guys? It's a beautiful, beautiful morning here at the shop. Trying to get the day going. And I want to start today's video off with something. So my lawnmower's been sitting in the back of my truck for like 2 days, and it's rained both days. So I'm gonna give a little tug on the cord here and see if this thing still runs. I would assume that it does. I don't know why it wouldn't, but we're gonna give it a little tug and just see. Hell yeah.
Oh man, what we got going on today? Hell yeah.
Something weird that I'm gonna share with you guys. So my entire life, pretty much my entire life, I've worn nothing but Nike socks. I'm wearing Nike socks right now, like the Nike dry fit socks. That's my favorite sock. I mean, everybody has those little things. Polo boxers, Nike socks, that's my thing. That's always been just what I wear. And recently, I need more socks. So the point that I'm getting to, and I haven't been able to find Nike socks anywhere. You know, I go to Marshall's, Ross, all the little cheaper places just to go see if I can find some cheap socks, and nobody's got Nike socks. They all got Under Armour, Adidas, all that. I don't want those. I want my Nike socks. But I did give in today, unfortunately. Well, not unfortunately, but I did get some, I'm kind of excited because I got some, if anybody knows me, I'm a huge polo fan. So I got some polo socks this time. We're gonna be rocking the polo socks at work. Hell yeah, polo boxers and polo socks. Boy. Now I know that, you know, polo's not really designer or anything. You know, obviously you live in Atlanta, you got all your big designer brands, but you know, it's the little things in life that you need to appreciate. Holy crap. Oh, honestly, I'm so glad I just picked the camera up, because I would have left the bag out here and that would not have been good. I would have probably came back, like, I probably wouldn't even have noticed it. It would probably been a couple of days before I noticed this. But as you guys can tell, I finally got to use my new lawnmower. My new lawnmower is an older lawnmower, but works better than my old one. It's a crazy concept. Even came with a bag that I just dumped grass all over me. But I'm super excited. Huge shout out to my coworker for supplying me with an amazing lawnmower. Ooh, it's been a long ass day, and it's definitely not over. Me and Thomas, y'all see the avalanche over there? Me and Thomas are going to Walmart. Say hello.
What's up?
Even though y'all can barely see him in there. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video is going to be absolutely amazing. I love you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.